Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you disable read receipt on WhatsApp. To begin with, you know the drill, update your application. So for that, head over to your respective app store and type in WhatsApp. If you see update, then you want to press that out, and if it is completely up to date, click open it and log in. After you're logged in, this is how the interface will look. So here, what you want to do is click on the three dot icon from the top right, go to settings, and when you go to settings, what next you want to do is on this field, you want to come to the privacy sections. As you go to privacy section, underneath, if you scroll down, there is these read receipt option, and if you turn off, you want send or receive a read receipt. That means read receipts are always sent for group chats. So you want to go ahead and toggle the button for this. So you'll not be able to see the blue tick mark when the message is already delivered and the other person has seen it. And similarly, this goes for you as well. So you'll also not be able to see your blue tick, or you'll not be able to see the person, or you'll not be able to know whether the person has actually read the message or not. So that is basically how you'll be able to disable it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.